Hi Nina, this video I will try and answer some questions about pictures and posts and putting in different kind of content in a post. So I will call this, no, not second, third story. I will put it in the front page slider also, so that we have 3 different stories there, so it fits with the current setup. Good. So when you make a new post, you have your title here, and based on the title we will also make the URL, and right now it's called Sveriges coolaste festmusik and then page something something. But I'm going to change this so it will in the URL also have the words from the title, because these words are very important, and when you make the title, always think about, like when for example you're making Artist of the Week, don't call it Artist of the Week something something. It would be much better if you call it cover band from Stockholm or something, where you use some good words, because the title is important regarding Google. And then down here in the text you can write this artist of the week is blah 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 blah. So it's not important to put artist of the week up here. Use some other words there instead. Okay, enough talking. Let's try and take some text. Take some text and put it in here. So we have a lot of text now. I will just publish it so it's saved, but I could also just save it as a draft actually. So far so good. Now I want to take here. I want to find a YouTube video, and I want to place a YouTube video in the post. And the way I do that is going to the presentation page and actually starting the video, and once the video is started you can see that there's a YouTube link down here in the bottom, and by clicking on that YouTube link I actually go to the place on YouTube where this video is. In YouTube I will go down here on the second button, and that is called share in English or whatever language you will have. Mine is in Danish, so it is del. And then I will also click on the indlejring. So once you're on the video, click on share and click on indlejring, which is embed in English. Make sure you mark all the text and go back, and then find a space in your text. Go up here to text in the top right corner, and now I think it moved, so I'll go down here and I will press on the code button. I will input my code that I got from YouTube, and now I will press on the code button again, because now it's, yeah, let me explain that. The first code looks like this, but this last one looks like this, and this means here the code will start and here the code will end. Once I've done that, I can go back to visual, and now I get an indication about something that has been inserted here. Okay, so now we go down in the text, and here I would like to insert his review badge actually. That is going to look good. So I do the same again. I go here on text, I make sure I'm on the right spot. I'm not there right now, so here I will press on code. I will, oh, that was wrong. Code, insert it, and code. Good, and back on visual. I don't know, yeah, it will just show a yellow box there, so I cannot see what's in it yet, but I will be able to see that. Let's just check how this looks on the side. Uh-huh. Okay. It doesn't look so good because we don't have a picture on it yet. So let's just add a picture to make it look a little bit better. See if I have a third picture that is different from the other ones. This one we can use. Set featured picture. Save. Okay, let's see how that helps. Yes. So now it looks like something. And okay. I want to go back. Okay, third story. Blah 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 blah. Okay. So let's do some more editing. Oh, actually, I want to see it. How does it look? We got the video is working. Yes. Very nice. And also this one is working. Looks very good. The design could be a little bit better of this box, but that's another problem. It's been inserted in the right way anyway. Okay, so what do we want to do beside that? We want to insert a picture because you told me you had some problems with that. And I'm not sure at the moment I can fix it for you because I think I'm going to run into the same problem as you did. Of course, you have probably seen the alignment. Now let's try and insert it first. Insert in post. So it's inserted now. And now I will press edit image. Oh, did you see how I did that? I just mark the image and then press this button right here, edit image. So here I can get a graphical indication about how this could be put in. So let's put it right of the text, and that's it. Link to image, current link. Okay, I can also adjust the size here. That's pretty cool. What happens if I press advanced settings? It's not so important. Original styles, border. What is border? Okay, so you can see that I'm actually not very much into this, but this actually gave it a black border around it. It looks good. Maybe it's a little bit too big. Update. Yeah, okay, it looks okay. Of course, it's too close to the video, but I guess this is the first introduction to how you can set up some stuff, and of course, the text itself can be adjusted with these things here, and you have to learn what these things are. Let's say we want to mark this text and make it a quote. I hope it did it now. A quote. And let's see how that looks. Yeah, so it puts it in a gray box, and here you could imagine that if this was the name, let's just do that just to make it even better. Update. ninasblog5 is simply dumb. And I didn't even do it on purpose. Okay, ninasblog5 is simply dummy text for printing. Okay. Good, so now you get the idea. This looks good, right? With a name here, and then you could have a customer quote saying something if you needed that. Actually, maybe you can use it in the interviews. Like, maybe we could do. Okay, let's also try and do that. I get all these ideas. I will go behind the last picture. I will press enter, and now I will press bold. How come you started playing party music? Question mark. Okay. And here you will be able to control the kind of headings. If you want it as a paragraph text, it will just be, yeah, you have to play with it. But you can see that the heading 1 is a big one, the heading 2 is also big. So let's try and see how that looks. Yeah, okay, it's a little bit too big, but and I don't know if it would make it easy to read the questions and the answers like this. Maybe it would, but that's the way that you can work with your text and make it look good in many different ways. You will have to ask me some questions, some specific questions, if you want me to yeah, if there's something specific you want to do, because then I have to research it and find out how to do that. Okay.